What does the elephant say? No? Here, what does a duck say? Blake, what does a duck say? Blake, what does the cow say? What does the cow say? Meowie. What does the sheep say? What does the horse say? Good job. What does the bunny say? What does the monkey say? What?
That was cool.
What does the giraffe say? Blake, what does the giraffe say?
Blake, can I please have Meowie back? Blake, I want Meowie back. Blake, I need that back.
We were filming animal sounds and we got into brotherly love.
Give me it back, Blake. Back.
Ooh. Tyler.
I'm trying to give it.
Blake, what's the frog say? What's the frog say?